Before we jump into today's video, I want you to check out this platform where you can get a Grok subscription for a fraction of the price. I'll leave the link in the video description below. Without wasting our time, let's get started. What if I told you that you can use some of the most powerful AI image and video models without paying for a subscription upfront? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get access to Flux AI, Grok, and Vibes AI, and actually use them to create images and videos. Let's get started. The first platform we're going to use is BFL AI, and the good thing is you don't have to pay up front just to get started. So let me show you exactly how to get access. First, go to the BFL AI website. Once you're here, look for the option to sign in or create an account. Click on it and follow the sign-up process. Once your account has been created and you've signed in, you'll be taken into the platform. Now, this is where things get interesting. You can access the available Flux models directly from the playground. So let's go ahead and open it. Once you're inside, you'll see the different models that are available. I'm going to select the model that supports video generation. Then I'll enter my prompt, so let's click generate. And now we wait for the result. Our video is ready. Let's take a look.
You're my favorite place.
Then stay with me forever, I love you.
Look at that. The lip sync, the eye contact, and the voice all sound really good. It honestly looks like it came straight out of a movie. And the crazy part is, we generated this video using Flux 3 for free, but keep in mind, Flux 3 is currently available for a limited time, so make sure you take advantage of it while it's still free. The second platform we're going to use is Grok. If you've been following AI image and video generation, you've probably already seen some of the crazy results people are creating with Grok. But the sad reality is that you need to pay for a subscription before you can use it. But the good news is, I'm going to show you how you can get started with Grok without paying for a subscription up front. So let me show you how to get started. First, go to grok.com. Once you're here, click on Sign Up. You'll see the available sign-up options. Choose the option you want to use and complete the registration process. Once your account is ready, sign in and you'll be taken into Grok. Normally, Grok isn't completely free for all of its features, but right now, you can access Grok Imagine and try out its latest image generation capabilities, and that's exactly what we're going to use in this video. So, once you're logged in, head over here and click on Imagine. Here you can generate images and videos, depending on the features currently available on your account. So, I'm going to paste in my prompt. Next, I'll select my aspect ratio and my duration, and click on Generate. After a few seconds, the video is ready. Let's go ahead and check out the result.
Fresh carrots today, just picked this morning.
They look great. I'll take a bunch.
I'm pretty impressed with that. Look at the realism here. The movement feels natural. The camera movement is smooth. And remember, Grok isn't only useful for video. You can also use Grok to create AI images, which means you can generate your image first, and then use that image as the starting point for your video. Now, let's move to the third platform. The third platform we're going to use is Vibes AI. This one is a little different. Vibes AI gives you a creative workspace where you can work with images, videos, music, references, and other elements. Go to vibes.ai and follow the available sign-up process. Once your account is ready, enter the Vibes workspace. Now, we're going to create a new video. Go ahead and click on Get Started, and it's going to take you here. Here you can create videos, images, and lip sync AI videos. Now, I'm going to select the video creation option and paste in my prompt. I'll select the highest available quality and hit generate. As you can see, the video is now generating, so let's wait for the generation to complete. The video is done generating. Let's see the result. As you can see, the result is really good, especially considering how easy it is to get started. And don't forget, you can also generate images here and use them as references when creating your videos. That can give you much more control over the character, scene, and overall look of your video. But there is one thing I don't really like about this platform. It currently focuses heavily on vertical video generation. So if you're creating content for TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, this could actually be a really good starting point, especially because you can experiment with it without paying up front. So guys, that's how you can use Flux and Grok Imagine to create AI images and videos without paying up front. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.